Hello beauties, welcome again to Wednesdays. I appreciate you all. You all are wonderful, you all are beautiful. Welcome again to this channel. I just want you guys to know that short hair is easy to manipulate, And today we have some fashionable haircuts that are suitable for beautiful black women. And this styles, are low maintenance haircut, and it's the kind of style that will make you look younger, and it's a beautiful haircut that will always be the right choice for you to choose, and you're not gonna regret, going for that short hairstyles. One thing with this styles is that it's so beautiful. And one thing I love about this haircut on the screen, you can see always have the two sides shorter and leaving some hair on top. It will always come out looking so beautiful and sexy. This style is really a statement hair that is sure to leave head turning. And one thing I love about this beautiful cut is that is haircut that will take it to the next level, like sometimes when you combine it with a fade. So adding this cute pattern or shape to your fade cut is just the icing, on the cake. Wow, this is beautiful, and it's a befitting short hairstyles for all women. So regardless of your age, to achieve this look, you just to cut your hair short around the sides and back of the head, and you can have the freedom, to cut and layer the hair as you please until you achieve this look. I love this hairstyle. It's really, really beautiful, and it's just the best way to add those volume and dimension to your hair, because you can always adjust how much or where you put your layers. And this haircut will really, you won't even regret even adding them to your hair, as they will instantly elevate your look. So if you really love your hair too short, and you can choose one of those style on the screen, to really match your personality. One thing you have to in mind is that they are really a low maintenance haircut, and they're ideal for any woman who really don't want to spend much time on daily grooming. So don't forget to accessorize with your beautiful earrings and chains, or even a bracelet. So one thing with this style also is that it's a beautiful hairstyle that is cute and is highly customizable. And one thing with the style is that it will always attract attention to your face, emphasizing your eyes and your jawline. So black women looks great in this beautiful haircut, so regardless of their hair types. So whether you have your hair curly or you have your hair relaxed, this haircut will really complement your facial structure and attributes, because the style, you can see, is really, really beautiful, and it's gorgeous for beautiful black women. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit notification bell to always let us know, to always be notified whenever you upload a new video. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh. I saw your tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh kanya na bakubaraba. I am the Lord. I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light. My burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrando shatanaba. Oh, yeah, 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 yo. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh.